Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo, pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does have an illuminated start on the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, express brown ginger beige MB Tex interior with a eucalyptus trim, sunroof, roof rack, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 74,605 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.